So at this point, I just want to quickly talk about why we downloaded the W3C validation tool plugin. It's very simple, because if I delete some important parts of this document and then I go to validate it, just refresh the validation, I get an error. It's validated that there's an actual error with my code and it reports it. So by using this plugin, you know that all the code you check and validate, if it's correct, it will be fine. You'll get a nice green tick down here, and if there's an error, it will report it and you can go and fix it. So if I was to put that back and then I go and refresh it again, we get a nice little tick down the bottom there. There you go. So, very useful plugin.